Okay student, now today we discuss the chapter number 9, that is service of internet. Okay, now let's become what is internet. Internet is your basically, yes, it is a worldwide network that you be enable, you can read latest news, conduct research, means everything you want, whatever you want you can do with the help of network. Okay, and the internet is the benefit is that because you can sit in a single place and you can access the multiple access record whatever you want, you can access yes, sitting in a single place, you cannot go here and there. Okay, so that is a yes, it is the benefits of internet. Okay, many of the examples is given here, you can read out, and after that whatever thing you can do with the help of internet. Okay, means what, you can stay informed means what, you can access the information of any subject or interest. Suppose if you have any subject interest, then you can search many of the things with the help of internet. Next is your conduct research. Okay, next is if you want to research any topic, you can also do with the help of internet. Okay, next what is electronic mail. Yes, it is a very important. Suppose nowadays you can do the electronic mail, means you can sit in a single place, you can send any messages through internet from one place to another place. You will not go here and there. Okay, so that's why you can easily send the messages from one place to another place. Okay, next is what, entertainment. Yes, many of the entertainment is present there, such as radio, television, broadcast, video, music is present on. You can live interview on the favorite celebrity, listen also you can with the help of internet. Okay, you can also play games, everything is there. Okay, now what is program is next is that a thousand of programs can be used for the computer, word processor, drawing, games, access. Okay, means in the word processor you can also use the program, excel use the program, same many of that. Next, buy and sell. Yes, it is a very important, you want to buy and sell with the help of internet also. Okay, you do not go here and there, you can purchase books, flowers, okay, etc. Many of the yes, online shopping is there, because yes, Amazon is there, Flipkart is there, many of the website is there from where you can buy and sell. Okay, now next is chat. Okay, chat is, yes, it is a very important feature. With the help of chat you can allow exchanging the message from one person to another person. Okay, it is example of, you can say yes, Yahoo Messenger, many of the example is here. So next is your social with others. Okay, you can join discuss group on the internet, meet people around the world with the similar interest. Okay, it is a very application, means what, suppose whatever is subject your interest, and that particular subject same interest of that particular, so you can meet with the help of social and others. Okay, now next is share information. Okay, yes, through the internet you can share information from one place to another place with the help of internet. Okay, suppose you can create your own website and you can share detailed information through it. Okay, now I am also example of, suppose we can share information and share that particular chapter with you. Okay, that is example of share information. Next is a play online games. Okay, yes, it is a very simple. Now you can play online games also, you can puzzles, plane, space, car, etc. Okay, now this is update your knowledge, you can read out. Next is world wide web. Okay, not what is world wide web, simple, it is a world wide web, means it is a web, means everything is present in the world, or you can say web server. Okay, means what, each server hosts one or more website, each of these contains million of the documents called web pages. Okay, yes, that is web pages. And you can simple information, you can browsing whatever you can search, that is known as browsing, and simple surfing, and if you are downloaded that particular thing from the web browsers. Okay, that is known as web browsers. Okay, now this is the assignments, some topic is there, you will be doing into notebook also. Okay, thank you.